and welcome to All About Life and More. I'd like to share with you today a really great recipe that I really enjoy. It's called Quick and Easy Capicola Egg Cups. It's very quick. It's got a prep time about 5 minutes, cook time about 14 minutes, and basically it yields about for 6 egg cups. But today I'm going to go ahead and do 12 because we have a family of 4 and it's just great to have as a snack or have it for breakfast or brunch. It's something so good that you can just eat it at any given time of the day. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and start with grabbing my capicola and then filling each well up with the capicola. Don't worry if it's folding up, just try to strain it as much as you can. You want to make sure that it creates like a pocket, if you will. Because what's going to happen is after we put all these capicolas in here, we're going to drop an egg right inside. And then we're going to fill them up with cheese and then season it to your tasting. You can either put salt and pepper. I usually put salt and pepper, and then I like to add a little bit of either cilantro or maybe some basil or maybe dill. So it's really up to you as to how much flavoring. You can also do this with other types of meat if capicola is not something you'd like. You can also use ham, you can use turkey, bacon. It just gives a really neat taste when the capicola is heated with the egg and the cheese. So I'll let you guys decipher and try it, and then you can let me know on our blog how you like it. So here we have all 12 wells filled with a slice of capicola. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the cheddar cheese. You can use regular cheddar, you can use a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella, whatever cheese you choose to want to do. In the recipe it calls for cheddar, but you can use any type of cheese that you prefer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill each of the wells with the capicola, and don't worry about being so concerned about if it spills over out to the sides, or just try to stay within the center of the capicola as much as you can. Okay, and we're almost done here. This is really, see how quickly I'm doing this, and the process time is really quick. And I think if you do it, you will enjoy it as much as I enjoy it and my family. My son just earlier today said, "Mom, are you gonna make them? Because I just love them." And my daughter said, "Let's make them, Mom." So here I am making it and sharing it with you today, so you guys can try to make it too at home. Okay, so I think we have pretty much it all out. There's all the cheese. Put that bowl aside. And then the next step will be taking your eggs. Now if you prefer, you can also use egg whites. You can also use brown eggs. Whatever egg you choose to want to use, I'm sure the recipe will taste just as good. Okay? So pretty much, I have another bowl here. And you're going to start dropping them in. Just dropping them in, and of course the egg will probably fall outside if your capicola is folded, and that's okay. So as you can see, all the eggs are already in the wells, and if you notice, I have already seasoned. I put a seasoning, and I put a Spanish seasoning that we use a lot in our household that has garlic. It's got oregano and cumin, so this is a little bit more flavored to us, our seasoning, how we like to cook. So again, you can just put salt and pepper on them, or you can put whatever type of seasoning you may like. I'm also going to top it off with a little bit of dill weed just to give it some color. cilantro, you could put basil, you can even put vegetables in here, tomatoes, onions, whatever you like. Just get creative and I'm sure it'll make it really tasty. And I'm also going to go ahead and put some pepper because we like to spice it up too. Capicola has a little bit of a spice to it, but a little bit more won't hurt. You can even put paprika on it, whatever you like. Okay, so now it's ready to put in the oven. We have our oven set at 400, and you just let it bake in there for about 12 to 14 minutes. Pull it out, and just make sure that the egg whites are completely done when you pull it out, depending on your ovens. Every oven is a little different, so just make sure that the egg whites are completely done and are set. And then you serve them hot, garnished. You can garnish it some more with some dill or basil or your choice, and if desired. And go ahead and start eating them. If not everybody eats them, you can go ahead and store them in the refrigerator, bring them out later, or the next day and heat it up in the microwave. So this is it. This is the quick and easy Capicola egg cups, and we'll see what they look like once they're baked. Okay, here we are. We just finished baking this tray of quick and easy Capicola egg cups. It was in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes at 400. So as I mentioned, we wanted to make sure that the egg whites are completely cooked. So what I'm going to do here is I usually just take a toothpick and we just want to make sure that the egg whites are cooked. And we see that the egg whites are cooked. So this toothpick is coming out nice and clean and not wet. Kind of like a cake, right? We're all good and set to go. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and grab one. And sometimes if it gets a little stuck to the sides, it shouldn't. But it might, depending how the egg fell in there. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. And then you just go ahead and put it on your plate. And I'm going to go ahead and move this aside so I can cut it and show you what it looks like. Oops, that's not going to work. Your little quick and easy Capicola egg cup. And we're going to go ahead and just give it a nice cut right down the center. And isn't that just almost isn't that just delicious? So there's your Capicola with the cheese and the egg all set to go, and you just enjoy. Egg cups. Yummy. Until next time, we hope you join us again and see what really great recipes we can